Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have playable files. Apple Music streams are DRM protected, so use downloaded local purchases or files you own. Once done, open your DJ app and sign into the same Apple ID or enable local file import. Make sure your controller and audio interface are connected and visible. Set the music app to download songs for offline use and confirm the sample rate matches your DJ software. This first setup prevents file access issues and gets you ready to import and analyze tracks. Now import tracks your software can read, purchased or local MP3/AAC/WAV files, because Apple Music subscriptions won't export. Once imported, let the app analyze BPM and key. This saves time during a set. Then organize playlists by vibe and tempo and predefine hot cues and loop sections so you can jump instantly. While you're arranging, correct beat grids and normalize gain to consistent levels. Doing this preparation reduces surprises live and lets you focus on creative transition you perform by mixing prepared playlists, using EQ and trim to blend tracks smoothly. Rely on your set hot cues and loops for precise moves. Make short rehearsals and record them to spot timing or level issues. This helps you tighten transitions and build dynamic progressions. If a track won't load during setup or live, first verify it's not an Apple Music DRM file, re-download, reauthorize the computer with your Apple ID, or use legitimately purchased copies in a supported format. That single check fixes most access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.